Pests invade millions of homes and businesses every year. And when people find ants, rodents, or cockroaches, they want the problem solved immediately. That's why pest control is one of the most stable and recurring service businesses you can start. Welcome to my channel. Breathe Well Home Solution. In this video, we'll walk through the key steps to starting your own pest control business. Here are the 6 steps to starting a successful pest control business. The first step is understanding the pest control industry. Professionals deal with common pests such as rodents, termites, ants, cockroaches, and bedbugs. These pests can damage property and spread bacteria. Pest control helps protect both health and property. Most states require pest control professionals to obtain a license. This may involve completing training and passing certification exams. Licensing ensures technicians understand safety procedures and proper pesticide use. Always research the licensing requirements in your state. Register your business legally. Many entrepreneurs form an LLC to protect their personal assets. You will also need an EIN, business insurance, and sometimes bonding depending on local regulations. Starting a pest control business requires the right equipment and supplies. Common tools include sprayers, bait stations, traps, and monitoring devices. You will also need safety gear like gloves, masks, and protective clothing. Pest control businesses can offer both residential and commercial services. Residential services protect homes from pests. Commercial pest management protects restaurants, offices, and warehouses. Many companies offer monthly or quarterly service plans. Marketing is essential when starting a pest control business. Door-to-door marketing, local flyers, and referral programs can help generate early customers. You should also create a Google business profile and share educational content online. One of the biggest advantages of pest control is recurring service. Many customers schedule regular treatments throughout the year. This creates consistent income and long-term customer relationships. Starting a pest control business requires training, professionalism, and a strong focus on safety. But with the right systems in place, it can become a profitable and stable service company. Subscribe for more guides on starting service businesses and growing your company.